to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 7th of January 2021 and currently time is 10:15 AM. So traders, today is Thursday as you already know. So today what we will do is that we will practice our option selling strategy and we will do paper trade in option selling because we can't risk this much money and I am also not having that amount of capital for option selling, so we will do paper trade today. Okay traders, so this is a chart of bank nifty in 15-minute chart. Here I have drawn this support and resistance here, and according to me the price of the bank nifty should stay between this range, and if it happens today we will be booking profit. Okay traders, so what we will do is that we will first sell 32,500 call and also 31,600 put. Okay traders, so this is the terminal where we can see the price of both of these options. So one is trading with 9 rupees and another is trading with 16 rupees. Okay traders, so now we are selling both of them at our Excel sheet because we are doing paper trading. So first we will sell 32,500 call. So 32,500 call we are selling 25 quantities with the selling price of 9 rupees. Okay, here our target traders will be 0.55 paise and our stop loss here is 25 and time at which we are taking the trade is 10:17 AM. So 10:17 AM, and the second option which we are selling is 31,600 call. So 31,600 call, one lot, that is 25 quantities, and our selling price here is 16 rupees. Okay, so 16 rupees with a target of 1 rupee here, and traders here our stop loss will be 35. Okay traders, and the time is 10:18 AM. Okay traders, we are mentioning the time to see if our stop loss was hit or not. Okay traders, so this is it. We have taken our trade in our Excel sheet because this is a paper trade and we are done now. Now traders, what we have to do is that we have to wait till 3 PM so that the premium of both of these options get decay and came to 00 rupees, so that we will be booking profit. So traders, now we have taken the trade and now I will update you at 3 PM. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, currently time is 3:23 PM and you can see market is now closing, and here it is, the market is now closing between our range only. This is the 15-minute chart, you can see. Now let me open the prices of options. So here you can see they both are trading with 25 paise and 5 paise only. Okay traders, so we had booked profit and our strategy successfully worked. So coming on to our paper trade, this is Excel sheet. So the profit which we have gained by selling the call is 211 rupees, and by selling the put, sorry, here was written call, so that was put. So we have gained 375 rupees profit in put selling. So by adding both of these traders, the net profit which we have gained is 586 rupees. Okay traders, so I have already explained you the logic, and these were the support and resistance which we made and market closed between our range, so we have booked the profit. Okay traders, so this was our today's paper trade. Hope you learned something from it and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.